welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a healthy and yummy fall-inspired recipe for a cranberry orange loaf. Alright, let's get started. We're going to start off by combining all of our dry ingredients in a big bowl. So that's going to be our whole wheat flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. And just whisk it up. Now I'm gonna add all of my wet ingredients into a stand mixer. So we're gonna start off with some orange zest and juice, coconut oil, maple syrup, vanilla extract, 2 eggs, and some vanilla yogurt. And just mix it on a low speed. Now we're going to slowly add in our dry ingredients while mixing our batter on a low speed. Now we're just going to fold in our dry cranberries into our finished batter. We're going to go around the sides of the pan and scoop it inward, being careful to not knock any air out of our dough. Here I've got a greased up loaf pan, and we're just going to scoop our finished batter into there. Now we're gonna bake this in a 375-degree oven for about 50 minutes. All right, and here is our finished result. This orange cranberry loaf cake is so incredibly fluffy and can be eaten as a breakfast treat or as a dessert by itself. And if you want to follow along with me, I'm going to be linking the exact measurements and ingredients that I use down in the description box below. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, to like and subscribe, as well as ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of the delicious and guilt-free dessert recipes that I'm going to be posting once every single week. Bye-bye, guys.